You've heard it 100 times. Take 25% of your pension tax-free. Sounds like a no-brainer, right? But here's what they don't tell you. That lump sum is a trap. It could shrink your future income, kill your compound growth, and expose you to income taxes you didn't plan for.
So what's the 25% tax-free lump sum? Under current UK pension rules, individuals can withdraw up to 25% of their pension pot tax-free from age 55, rising to 57 in 2028, with a cap of £268,275. This withdrawal is often used to clear debts, fund property purchases, or provide early retirement cash flow.
But there's a trap that could cost you £50,000. Yes, you could take 25% tax-free, but if you withdraw early, you lose years of compound growth on the rest. For example, £100,000 at 55. Take £25,000 now, leave £75,000. If you waited 10 years, that pot could grow to £130,000 instead. Early withdrawals equals less money long term.
Put simply, 25% tax-free trap. Compound growth loss. So think before you withdraw. Once withdrawn, that money leaves the tax-sheltered pension wrapper. You lose compound growth on a large chunk of your pot. If reinvested outside a pension, gains may be subject to income tax, capital gains tax, or inheritance tax.
Taking the lump sum early means reduced retirement income. Your remaining pot must stretch further, potentially reducing annual drawdown or annuity income. And with policy changes looming, rushing to withdraw could be the worst move you make.
To be sure, the 25% tax-free pension withdrawal isn't a trap by design, but it can become one if taken without strategy. Before you cash in, ask yourself, is this a short-term win or a long-term compromise or trap? Because in retirement, every decision lasts a lifetime.
If today's episode sparked questions, head to our podcast hub, youtube.com/@TheBloggerian for more information on strategic pension withdrawals. And don't forget to subscribe. Next week, we're diving into the ETF versus stock debate for retirement investors.
Want to maximize your pension and building wealth strategies? Subscribe for smarter retirement strategies and podcasts like this one.